everyone, my name is Victoria White. Welcome to my studio. Yesterday, guys, I uploaded my review about Dehancer plugin in Photoshop and Lightroom. Some of my students came back to me this morning and asked to record a detailed tutorial about this plugin in Photoshop. One of my students worked with ballet photography, and she asked me if I can record tutorial how she can convert her a ballerina image into old Hollywood style and apply this image to old newspaper or newsletter. So this is what we will be working on today. Let's rock and roll, guys. I have downloaded two images from Adobe Stock. First image is this beautiful ballerina and second image is newspaper or newsletter. And we will start with this ballerina. First thing what I will do, I will convert this layer. I have only one layer to smart filters. Yes, Dehancer plugin supports smart filters and this is super helpful. After that, I will launch Dehancer plugin just like that. Dehancer plugin remembers the last preset, last edit I made working with this plugin and will apply my last edit to the new image I opened in Dehancer plugin. What I will do, I will restore this image to the original condition just like that, and I will scroll this beautiful library with all magical presets up and down to preview what preset I would like to apply. Yes, this preset I would like to apply to my image. And look at this, guys. We already have feeling of old photography, but it's not like, oh my god, this is image from 1920s. This is about, oh my god, this old image was restored already. So what we will do, we will want to apply some agey feeling to this image. So I will scroll all tools I have on the right side of my screen up, and at the bottom I have vignette workspace. Let's see, I will bring exposure down for a vignette. Let's see, I will bring size down. Same applies to feather. And let's talk about aspect ratio. What I'm doing, I'm moving aspect ratio slider to the right, just like that. Now, guys, if I will scroll all tools up, at the top of all tools workspace, we have source panel. What I will do, I will bring exposure of my source image down just like that. And I'm happy with it. Let's talk about film developer workspace. Film developer tool. I will click on this box to turn on this option, turn film developer tool on, and I will bring contrast down. So what I'm doing, I'm moving contrast boost slider to the left, and now I have the feeling of 1920s. I love it. The last modification I would like to apply to this preset is let's see, is film grains. You see that I have already turned on this tool, so film grain workspace is active right now. And what I will do first, I will increase size for my grains. I will move my grain size slider to the right. Value of my grain size right now is 5.91. I will do same with amount. I will move amount slider to the right, just like that. Yes, just like that, and I love it. Value of my grain amount right now is 73.84, and I will increase resolution to 100%. Double click on this image to zoom it in, and I can preview all details more closely. My resolution value right now is 100%, but we are talking about 1920s image. This image will have some lost details, some disappeared details, some more obvious details. Let's try to move resolution slider to the left, just like that. And look at this. We have Nani-Tori's feeling of this ballerina image. You can switch between original image preview and image with applied preset by using preview checkbox. Just like that. This is before and this is after. Before and after. Just like that. After I'm happy with everything, I will click OK to be redirected back to Photoshop with new basically image. Remember, guys, we created smart filters. We converted our layer to smart filters before we launched the Dehancer plugin, and this is why it's very important. Now I can turn off Dehancer plugin preview at any time. If I will double click on plugin name, I will be redirected back to Dehancer plugin where I can adjust my preset or apply any other preset at any time. What I will do, I will increase exposure of my original image just slightly, just like that. And I will click OK, and Dehancer plugin will update my image right away. Look at this. How beautiful is it? Now let's open our old newspaper image. I will select all, copy. I will open my ballerina image, edit, paste. What I will do now, I will resize my newspaper layer. I will a little bit increase size of my newspaper. After I'm happy with everything, I will click on OK icon to accept all changes. Now I would like to position my newspaper layer below my ballerina layer. So I will click on this layer and I will move this layer under my ballerina layer. Now we have two layers. One layer is newspaper layer and top layer is our ballerina layer. I will click on ballerina layer. At the bottom of my layers panel, I have this beautiful add a layer style icon. I will click on it. I will select blending options and Photoshop will launch a layer style. At the bottom of this workspace, you will see blend if workspace. This workspace is very powerful. This blend if workspace will help us to blend two layers, our ballerina layer and our newspaper layer together. First thing first, what I will do, I will click and hold my option key and I will click on a white triangle in underlaying layer, and I will split this triangle for two parts. I will do same with black triangle, just like that. And I will start moving one part of my white slider to the left, just like that. You can see that, you will see that when I'm moving one part of my white triangle, image already started blending, two layers started blending together. I will move my other part of my white triangle just like that, and I will do same with one part of the black triangle and second part of the black triangle. Look at this. It's beautiful, but we are not done yet. I will do same with current layer, two triangles. So let's talk about this current layer. When we're working with current layer, we're blending our top layer, our selected layer, with layer under it. So I will click and hold my option key one more time, and I will split white triangle and black triangle, and I will move white triangle a little bit to the left, and I will move black triangle to the right, just like that. Look at this. And again, guys, you can play with it. If you move your sliders and you're not happy with it, you can adjust it at any time, just like I'm doing right now. See, now what I'm doing, I'm moving one part of white slider in underlying layer to the right, back to the right, just like that, to bring details of my ballerina back. If I will move one part of my white slider triangle in underlaying layer to the left, I will lose part of my ballerina, but I would like to preserve details in my ballerina, just like that. Look at this. How beautiful is it? And I will click OK to accept all changes. Now guys, we have perfectly blended our ballerina layer and our newspaper layer together. But if I will zoom in my image just like that, you will see that I have very harsh transition on the left side between newspaper layer and the ballerina layer. We are talking about old style, old newspaper nanitones. Of course, we will have some more obvious details, and we will have no details at all in some places. But this harsh line is just screaming, oh my god, look, you just didn't blend all layers together in a perfect way. We can fix it. While my ballerina layer is highlighted, at the bottom of layers panel, I have layer mask icon. I will click on it to apply layer mask to my top layer, to the ballerina layer. In the toolbar, I will switch to a gradient tool. In the options bar, I will specify in a basic gradient library from black to transparent. I will make sure that my foreground color specified to black color, and I will click and drag my gradient tool just like that. And look at this. I can do on this side too, just like that. And look at this. We don't have any harsh transition between two layers. Now we have beautiful blended image. One more thing, one more detail I would like to apply to my ballerina layer. Because we have two layers, our newsletter layer and our ballerina layer, we can modify, we can adjust each layer separately. And we know, we did it already. But the last step I would like to apply in this image, I would like to change blending mode. I will click on normal blending mode, and I will go through all modes to preview and pick one I would like to apply to my ballerina. Let's see. I like kind of darken. Look at this. How beautiful is it? And guys, we are done. Look at this. We have feeling of nanitones old newspaper with this beautiful ballerina in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the best part, we didn't spend a lot of time on converting our original modern ballerina photo into nanitones photo. We did it just basically in one click using Dehancer plugin, and we modified just a few sliders to adjust the image in the way we want. And voila. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you will like it and you will create something after this tutorial. And please, please, please share your creation online on social media, on Twitter or Instagram, and tag me with your creations. I can't wait to see what you will create after this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys!